Good morning, students. I think in the last class we had discussed about integrations by partial fractions, and along with that I had given you that fact material only as worksheet. In that 16 problems are there, no? So all the solutions of that 16 problems I will send you. It's not a problem. You can check whether you did correct or wrong. You can check. It's not a problem. And after that next continuation of the fact material problems, some more 15 13 14 or 15 problems I'll give. Even you try that also. And our topic here is what? Some more applications we are going to discuss of some more applications of what? Integrations by partial fractions. So in this let us look at this example number 1. Integration of dx by sin x into 3 plus 2 cos x we have. So here multiply and divide with, first of all, sin x and cos x, sin x. So sin x by sin square x. If I am multiplying and dividing, sin x by sin square x into 3 plus 2 cos x dx. So after this, simply what we can do is integration of sin x by sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x into 3 plus 2 cos x dx. So now here put cos x is equal to t. So if you put cos x is equal to t minus sin x dx is equal to dt, or sin x dx is equal to minus dt, we can take. So the integration now it will turn into what? Integration of sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So 1 by 1 minus cos square t. Cos x we are taking as t, so 1 minus t square into 3 plus 2t will get. Okay. So now here this can be written as what? So I am going to write this as integration of dt by t square minus 1 into 3 plus 2t. So here what I am doing, just removing this minus also. So I am writing like this. So t square minus 1. Now further it can be written as 1 by t minus 1 into t plus 1 into 3 plus 2t dt. Now for this I am going to apply partial fractions. Okay, so the procedure is same. Here first you take this 1 by t minus 1 into t plus 1 into 3 plus 2t is equal to what? A by t minus 1 plus b by t plus 1 plus c by 3 plus 2t. So here onwards, you know. So what we have to do by putting t is equal to 1, you are going to get a value. By putting t is equal to minus 1, you are going to get b value. By putting t is equal to minus 3 by 2, you are going to get c value. So substitute all that values, and even after getting the result, don't forget to substitute t is equal to cos x in the final result. So try to complete this part. Why? Because you should be perfect with applications of integrations by partial fractions. So here I am not doing the partial fraction part. So you try to do this. It is easy only. Okay, let us go for example number 2. So example number 2. So what is that? So integration of again dx by sin 2x minus 2 sin x. Simple problem only. So integration of dx by, here this can be written as 2 sin x into cos x minus 2 sin x. So here we can take 2 sin x common. So we will be getting cos x minus 1 dx. So just like the previous problem, here also multiply and divide with sin x. So sin x by 1 by 2 I am writing out sin square x into cos x minus 1 dx. So 1 by 2 of integration into sin x by sin square x I am writing as cos square x. So 1 minus cos square x into cos x minus 1 into dx. Now here what? Put cos x is equal to t. So minus sin x dx is equal to dt we are going to get. So with that sin x dx is equal to minus dt I am getting. Okay. So 1 by 2 of integration of sin x dx is equal to minus dt I got. So minus dt by cos x we are taking as a t here. So 1 minus t square into t minus 1. Okay. So even after this, if you want to remove that minus 1 by 2 of integration of dt by t square minus 1 into t minus 1 dt. Okay. So here it is what t minus 1 into t plus 1 we can write, that is nothing but half of integration of dt by t plus 1 into t minus 1, nothing but t minus 1 whole square we are getting. So here again splitting of this partial fractions is easy only. So 1 by this t plus 1 into t minus 1 whole square whatever we have. Here how we should split into partial fractions here? What is the rule? This is equal to a by t plus 1 plus b by t minus 1 plus c by t minus 1 whole square. Okay. So here onwards again by putting t is equal to 1 and next by putting t is equal to minus 1. Next by comparing the coefficients you are going to get the values of ABC. Substitute that values, you will get the result. So here onwards I am not going to do the problem again. So you try. Why? Because this is the application of partial fractions over here. Okay. So next we have so like this only partial fractions, some more examples are there. We'll see it that models are there even in the partial fact material also. So that comes, you can do it easily, it's not a problem. Next we will move for trigonometric manipulations. Trigonometric manipulations. So in this totally 3 types we have actually. So that 3 types one by one we'll try to finish. So here first of kind is if the integration is the form of, if the integration is in the form of what? Integration of 1 by a cos square x plus b sin square x plus c dx, or it is in the form of 1 by a sin square x plus b cos square x, a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c dx, or if it is in the form of, okay, here cos 2x you write, not cos square x. Okay, so here it's not a problem, cos square 2x, cos square x only. Cos 2x also means what here? Cos 2x is nothing but we can write in terms of sin square x or cos square x also. Why? Because cos 2x, what is the formula? 1 minus 2 sin square x or 2 cos square x minus 1. So again it will be converted into this first form only. Okay, so sin square x or cos square x forms only we are getting here. So or even if the integration is in the form of 1 by a sin x plus b cos x whole square dx, or next even if it integration is in the form of 1 by a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c sin 2x plus d. Okay, so in all of these 4 cases, what we have to do is we can observe here in all of these four cases we have power 2 here for sine and cos. For sine and cos we have power 2 here. Okay, so here in all of these four cases what we have to do is first multiply and divide with, remember the rule clearly, multiply and divide with secant square x first of all, secant square x, and then put tan x is equal to t. This is the rule what you have to remember. Okay, so let us see one example based on this model. So integration of, first example based on this, integration of 1 by 3 sin square x plus 4 cos square x dx if I have. So see, step 1 what I told, multiply and divide with the secant square x initially, first I told or not. So let us multiply and divide with 3 secant square x first of all. Step 1 is what? Multiply and divide with secant square x. Okay, so what we are doing, secant square x by, so here secant square x means 1 by cos square x, so it becomes 3 tan square x plus 4. So secant square x, if you multiply secant square x into cos square x is equal to 1. Okay, dx. Okay, now here put, by observing this, see tan x if you are taking as t, tan x is equal to t, if you substitute secant square dx is equal to dt, we are going to get simply, or otherwise even we can put it like this also, root 3 tan x is equal to t, you substitute, not a problem. So secant square x root 3 into secant square x dx is equal to dt, or secant square x dx is equal to dt by root 3. Okay, so here after this let us get back to this integration. So integration of, see here secant square x dx is equal to 1 by root 3 dt, okay, by 3 tan square 3 tan x means root 3 tan x is equal to t, means this will be t square only, no? So t square plus 4. So now observe this, which is what is this form here? So 1 by root 3 into, it is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square. What is the formula here? Integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a is the formula, plus c. So here 1 by a, that is 2, into tan inverse of x is t by a, that is 2, plus c. So that is 1 by 2 root 3 into tan inverse of x is t here. So t is what actually? Root 3 tan x by 2 plus c. So like this simply we can get the integration if the function is in this form. Let us look at one more example. So integration of 1 by dx by, if we have in this form, so 4 minus 5 sin square x only we have, only sin square x term we have here. So here also multiply and divide with what? First step is secant square x only, so integration of secant square x dx by 4 secant square x minus 5 secant square x means what? 1 by cos square x will get, so it will be tan square x only. So that is equal to integration of secant square x dx by 4 into secant square x means what? Secant square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x or not? So 1 plus tan square x. Why? Because secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. So secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x minus 5 tan square x. Nothing but integration of secant square x dx by 4 ones are 4 plus 4 tan square x minus 5 tan square x is minus tan square x. Okay, so dx. So here again put tan x is equal to t, implies what? Secant square x dx is equal to dt. So integration of secant square x dx is equal to dt we got. Here this is 4 is nothing but 2 square minus tan x we are taking as t. So it is in the form of what? Integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx. The formula is what for this? 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x. Okay, so this formula you try to remember, don't forget this formula, very important. Okay, so using this 1 by 2a, a is 2 into log a plus x, and that is 2 plus t by 2 minus t plus c. So that is equal to 1 by 4 of log 2 plus t is what? We are taking t as tan x. 2 plus tan x by 2 minus tan x plus c. So this is the final answer. Now 2 more examples are there. I am going to give you. You try to solve this. I am not going to tell the solutions for this. So third one you have to solve this, third and fourth. So third one is what? Integration of dx by 3 sin x minus 4 cos x whole square, and the fourth one is integration of dx by 3 plus cos square x. Okay, so we can do this. Easy answers only you are going to get. It's not a problem. Okay, next let us start. So here this is the first type. I told you, I gave 2 examples. 2 examples are there which you can do easily. You can get the solutions. Okay, so this is the first type. Next, if the integration is in the form of case 2, you see, if the integration is in the form of, if the integration is in the form of 1 by a sin x plus b cos x plus c dx, or integration of 1 by a sin x plus b cos x, means c is not there here, or if it is in the form of 1 by a sin x plus c dx, or if it is in the form of 1 by a cos x plus b dx. Okay, so in all of this again, in all of these 4 forms again, if you see the integration in these forms, so here only one thing you have to do, any one of the above, convert this sin and cos in terms of tan x by 2. That is the rule what you have to remember. Convert what? This sin x and cos x in terms of what? In terms of tan x by 2. Okay, so how we can convert in terms of tan x by 2 means we have the formulas here. Sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, and cos x we have the formula, that is 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. These 2 formulas you can use, and we can convert this sin x and cos x in terms of this tan x by 2. And after converting this, after that put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Tan x by 2 is equal to t. So this is the rule what you have to remember. There in the first method we multiply and divide with secant square x first. Then after that we will put cos x is equal to t. That tan x is equal to t we will put. So here what you have to do, first convert this sin x and cos x in terms of tan x by 2 by using these 2 formulas. Then after that put tan x by 2 is equal to t. So in this also let us look at some examples. So first problem, example number 1 in this. So suppose if we have integration of dx by 5 plus 4 sin x we have, suppose. Okay, so it is in the form of what? This third type. Okay, so in this, so what we are going to do, that is equal to integration of dx by 5 plus 4 into sin x formula is what? 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay, so on simplifying this, what you are going to get? Integration of 1 plus tan square x by 2 by 5 into 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 8 tan x by 2 dx. So on further simplification, integration of 1 plus tan square x by 2 is nothing but secant square x by 2 or not? Secant square x by 2, so which is equal to 5 plus 5 tan square x by 2 plus 8 tan x by 2 dx. Now in this, put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Tan x by 2 is equal to t means secant square x by 2 into, again derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2, dx is equal to dt. Nothing but secant square x by 2 into dx is equal to 2 dt. We have to substitute. So that is equal to integration of secant square x by 2 dx is equal to 2 dt. 2 is a constant, I am writing it out. 2 dt by 5 plus tan x by 2 is t, so 5t square plus 8t I am going to get. Now let us make it a perfect square. So 2 into integration of dt by, what you are going to get? Let us take 5 common in this. So t square plus 8 by 5t plus 1. So that is nothing but 2 by 5 of integration of 1 by a square plus 2ab. 2ab. B should be what? Equal to 4 by 5. 2ab plus b square minus b square plus 1 dt. Okay, so that is 2 by 5 of integration of 1 by, up to this what we can write? T plus 4 by 5 whole square or not? Whole square. Now this is 16 by 25. 1 minus 16 by 25 is 9 by 25, no? So 9 by 25 is nothing but 3 by 5 whole square or not? So 3 by 5 whole square. Now it is in the form of what? 1 by x square plus a square form. So 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a is the formula. So 2 by